Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload photo on Mango Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Mango Live on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Go ahead and select the edit icon at the top right of your screen. Click on the plus icon to upload your photo. Select album if you want to upload a photo from your gallery. Tap on the check mark right next to the photo that you want to upload. Tap on completed at the bottom right of your screen. Once you are done selecting a photo, tap on the tick mark at the top right of your screen. And that's it. Now you have successfully uploaded a photo on Mango Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.